Hello guys, heto na naman tayo. May nakita naman akong isang application na kung saan na pwede kang kumita ng pera. Pero ito, natry ko na to. Ang pangalan ng apps na to is Spin and Earn Real Money. Dito guys, marami kang mapapaglaruan. Ito, spin, watch video, win coin. Ito, sobrang dali lang to kasi walang ads. May daily login, tapos scratch card, flip card, withdraw, and then withdraw. So dito, pag magla-login ka, grabe sobrang dali mag-ipon ng coins dito kasi walang ads. Times 2. Back. Tsaka itong spin. Ito, mag-spin ka lang. Oh, ba't ayaw na? Grabe, sobrang daling kumita ng coins dito. Yun nga lang. Dito. Sa withdraw. Kapag naka 4 million coins ka na is makaka-withdraw ka. Which is madali naman makaipon ng coins kasi walang ads. Tapos yun nga guys, nakaipon ako ng 4 million coins. At saka, withdraw ko. At saka sabi, you got an email within 2 days. So, until now, 1 week na hindi pa ako naka-withdraw, naka-receive. Kainis. Na-scam na naman tayo. Tsaka, ang 4 million coins is equivalent to $50. Diba? 3 araw ko itong lalaruin guys. Naka 4 million coins ako pero wala pa rin. But ayan naman. Wala talaga. It's a scam. It's a scam application. Don't download it. Thank you.